Hi girly pop, welcome back. I am so excited for this one because it has been a hot minute since I've done an eyelash extension video. Doing this eyelash extension trick helped me grow my lashes out pretty long and full, so I kind of stopped wearing them all together and just rocked my natural lashes. But then no one talks about the shedding phase of your natural lashes. Every 6 months my lashes just all fall out and then new ones grow in. I'm going through that right now. There's just no way to make them look good with mascara or curling them or anything like that. So I'm going to apply some lash extensions. I'll be sharing with you guys the most affordable, high quality lash extensions that I found on Amazon under $10. Anyways, enough rambling, let's go over the ingredients. For this look, you're gonna need a bond. We'll talk about this in a second. You're going to need a tweezer. You don't need a special tweezer. Any tweezer works. And some lash clusters. They are $8 and you get so many. They are reusable, but the reasons why I really love these ones is because they're clear band. It feels like natural, real hair, and when they're on your eyes, they look so beautiful. They look so natural. You can get as long or as short as you want, whatever your preference may be. I like to use 16 on the outside, 14 in the middle, and 12 in the inner corners. Let's talk about it. I have such a love-hate relationship with Lashify because I feel like they were the first to come on the scene with these type of lash extensions, but they're so overpriced and their clusters not great at all. In fact, the band on the clusters are so thick, they don't really look that great on. I have tried all of them. I really wanted to like them in the beginning, but they're just a no for me. However, their bondage bond is why my lashes stay on for weeks. The best I've ever found on the market, and I don't even like to use a seal whenever I'm using this bond. Lastly, this lasts me like 6 months. You just get it once and you have it for a very long time. You use it over and over and over and over and over and over again. For that reason, I cannot use any other lash bonds or seals. This is the only one, my holy grail. And guess what? Now they have it on Amazon. Now let's get straight into the application. You just can't mess this up if you follow these simple directions. So first, we're gonna start off with the bond. I do like to shake it up a bit before I begin. You're gonna wanna wipe off the excess. You don't want it to clump up on your natural lashes. A little goes a long way. I like to start from the outer corners, and you're just gonna wanna brush your natural lashes like you would with mascara, but you wanna get it as close to the lash line as possible. Just like that. You're gonna pick up your cluster with the tweezer, lift up your lid a little bit, and apply it the very outer corner, and then just pinch a bit. It's so easy. Let's repeat it one more time. Again, I'm going in with the 16 length, so these are going to be a little longer. Lift the lid, take the cluster, and you want to get it as close as possible to the lash line, but not actually touch the lash line, just for comfort reasons. If you do touch the lash line, it's totally fine. I've done it many times. I'm gonna apply a little more bond on the rest of my lashes. I'm going to pick another cluster. Now this one is the size 14. Apply another 14. Now, I've said this before and I'm going to say it again. You know that a bond is really good when you're applying the cluster. You get it super close to the lash and it clicks, kind of like a magnet. That makes it super easy to work with. Lastly, we're going to apply a little more bond in the inner corners. Add a size 12 cluster. So lift, apply. See, it clicked like a magnet. Now you pinch. Just like that. Now we're gonna go in with a tweezer again. We're gonna wanna pinch everything together very well. Make sure the natural lashes and the clusters are bonded to perfection. Here's another trick that I like to do. I go in with a lash curler, and not only does this give them a little lift, but it also just seals everything in. Now, I'm not pinching very hard, just very lightly. Wow, now I know they look super thick, super voluminous. However, they're so light on the lashes. They don't even feel like I have anything on. And that's why I really love these lash extensions, because they're so light and feathery. So even if you have like barely any lashes on there to stick them to, it will work no matter what. I mean, the difference is unreal. Now I'm gonna quickly do the other eye and we'll see the final result. Oh my goodness. Tell me these don't look like Russian volume lash extensions. I can't even get over how different I look. It's been a while since I had them on, so don't judge me. Let me enjoy this moment. I am obsessed with the way they turned out. And the best part about it is they will stay put until I want to take them off. Wow, I can't even look in the viewfinder. It's just so different. And here's the moment of truth, my favorite part of all. This is so satisfying. When I'm looking down, there's no lash band, no harsh, weird stuff going on. It just looks like seamless lash extensions, if I do say so myself. It just doesn't get any better than this. It never fails me. It lasts the longest. It looks the most voluminous yet natural at the same time. Need I say more? The results pretty much speak for themselves. I don't know what else to say. A little speechless here. I love the way they turned out. I hope you did as well. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!